Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about phylum Ctenophora. Phylum Ctenophora means citin means comb, porous means bearing. Comb jellies or sea walnuts are exclusively marine forms. The term Ctenophora was coined by Cuvier. It includes about 50 species. Ctenosporas, commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies, are exclusively marine radic organisms and radially symmetrical diploblastic organisms with tissue level of organization. Now let us discuss the general features of these organisms. The general features of phylum Ctenophora are below. They are exclusively marine forms. They are found solitary, pelagic or free swimming organisms. They are bilaterally symmetrical. The arrangement of comb plates gives the appearance of radial symmetry. The tentacles and branching of gastrovascular canals show bilateral symmetry. There are diploblastic as economide with tissue grade of organization. The body is soft, delicate, transparent and gelatinous gel-like fishes without segmentation. Respiration and excretion occurs through general body surface, and nerve system consists of nerve cells with an arboreal sense organs called cytocyst for balance. Digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. Skeletal, circulatory, respiratory, expiratory systems are absent in this phylum. Reproduction and development are hermaphrodite or monoecious. Gonads are endodermal. Fertilization is generally external. Development is indirect. Example Ctenophore plurobranchiae by bioluminescence. The property of living organisms to emit light is well marked in Ctenophores. Now let us discuss the classification of these Ctenophores. The first class of the Ctenophores are Tentaculata. In Tentaculata, the body is simple, rounded or oval, ribbon-like structure. The long arboreal tentacles are present, mouth is narrow and pharynx is small. Again, these are divided in order Cydipedia. In Cydipedia, body is oval or rounded. Two long branched tentacles are present and they can be retracted into sheets. Branches of gastrovascular system are terminating blindly. Examples of this are Hormispora plurobranchilea. Next one, the order Lobata. Body is laterally compressed. Two large oral lobes or lappets and four pointed process or auricules are present. Tentacles are many, non-retractile without sheets. Stomodial and meridional vessels unite with one another. Examples Diopia and Bolinopsis, etc. Order 3. Cystida. In Cystida, the body is laterally compressed and ribbon-like structure possesses two main tentacles and lateral tentacles are present. Four rows of rudimentary comb plates are present in these organisms. Meridional and stomodial vessels anastomosia are present. Examples system and velamen, etc. Platycentennia. In Platycentennia, the body is worm like comb, compressed oral arboreal axis. Tentacles with sheets are present. Comb rows or swimming plates are present only in larva. Meridional canals are absent, but there is a system of branching peripheral system. Now come to the Nuda. In these organisms, the body looks like large thimble shaped or conical. Tentacles are absent, mouth is wide and pharynx is large. The meridional vessels are produced into complex system of astenomosing branches. Example, Borio. Thank you.